Hey guys, welcome to Cybernetico. It's Nishant again, and today we will learn or we will see how to get our current position data or location using latitude and longitude. So let's start. First of all, we need latitude and longitude. So we need the use effect hook. So we can just type react dot use effect, then clear it up, and this input independence array. Now we can use it. So we can just type location dot wait a second, sorry, not location, navigator dot geolocation dot get current position. It will take a parameter called, let's say, position. Then we can console dot log this position parameter. Let's see what we get. Save the file and open the console. So we are getting this geolocation position here, and in this object we have coordinates and the timestamp. So we need coordinates, so put it here. So we have our accuracy, altitude, heading, latitude, longitude and all. So now we need to store this in a use state hook, in a state, these two latitude and longitude values. So let's create a state called, two states called lat, or let's make it latitude, set latitude equals to use state and empty string, then const longitude set longitude. I think the spelling is right. So use state again empty string, but we need to use react.useState because we are not importing it, these two use state hooks. So react.useState, now it is running, and if we remove this react from, we will get an error. C question, we are getting this error called use state is not defined. So revert it like this. Now we refresh it again. So now it's fine. Now we need to store this latitude and longitude from this data to these two states. So set latitude is first position dot coords dot set latitude, position dot coords dot latitude, then set longitude position dot coords dot longitude. Now the data is set. Now we need to call an API to get data according to this both items, latitude and longitude. So I know such data. So just head over to open weather API. Not this. Open weather map. So okay, here is the API here. So we can use one call API. So click API doc. So here's the API. So copy it, or first let's create a const to store our API endpoint. So const API endpoint equals to backticks, then copy this one call with question mark and paste it here. Then see, we have lat. In this lat position we will use this latitude, and in this long, not long, LON, we will use longitude. So let's call and see, we have the API key also. So we need that too. So const API key equals to, let's make it empty because now let's see the API key here. So click API. Okay, we have in the API, so we can use here sign in. Okay, click sign in, create your account if you haven't, and sign in. So I think I forgot my password. Let's try to remember it. submit. Okay, fine, it's now logged in. Then we can see our API keys. So click our account, then API keys here. So we have both API keys, this one and this one. But there is a problem here. These two API keys are invalid because there is some problem in my account. So I am going to use another account for API keys, or we can just head over to my GitHub and open this React Weather alt. You can create your account and get the API key. So here I have the API key here. Okay, user. Okay, what the hell? Okay, let me get my API key first. Then we will continue. So I have logged in into my another account and got the API key, which is this. So copy and paste it here. Then we need to use this API endpoint. So click service here. Then no, not service. Click open weather. Okay, where is it? Okay. So we need one call API. I don't know why it is not working, this button. So we have API here. Click API. Then we have one call API. So click API doc. Then this is the endpoint. So we have copied the endpoint here, and now the API key. So we need to get only. Okay, we have all the things here. So we can use exclude also. So now let's call this API. So to call this API, we can just use Axios. So install Axios using npm i Axios or yarn at Axios, depending on your package manager. So wait for it to install. So import Axios. Let's work in advanced from Axios. So you see, if we import any package without installing it, it will throw an error. But it has been already installed. You can see here. So we are getting no error here. So we can just use here axios.get, because we are using get API, and one bracket. Inside we will use this API endpoint first. So copy it and paste it. First we need backticks. Then okay, wait a second. Forgive us. What is okay? Copy. Then here use backticks, $mark, and two curly brackets. Then we have the API endpoint. So we have pasted it. So then the thing here is we can use lat. So lat equals to the same thing, $, and we can use latitude here. So copy and paste latitude. Then we have and, as you can see in the API endpoint here, this endpoint, we have the and ampersand sign, that we have and lon. So lon equals to the same $, curly brackets, and longitude. Then we have this exclude part. I don't know what is it. So just leave it. Or if we go down here, okay, we can just use this exclude hourly and daily to exclude certain parameters. So and or ampersand, okay, one ampersand, exclude hourly and daily. Then we can use this API key as app ID. So after daily we have app ID, and then we can paste API key here. So copy this API key const and put it here. So let's break it down. So after this we can, okay, fine. So we have lat, long. So we have lat, long, and app ID, which is the API key. So okay, we are fine now. So then we will use dot, then it will take a parameter called, sorry, let's say response. It will return a response when the API call is complete. Then console.log response dot data inside the response. So now let's check. Go all the way. So we are getting bad request. So we can also check network. So open network tab. Okay. If we refresh the page, let's see what we get. So here, why it is so small? How to increase the size here? So okay, I don't think. Nothing to geocode. Okay, fine. So I think we need to use latitude and longitude here. So put it here, then it will work. Now save. Okay, if we open the console, bad request. No, this is not the problem. So if we refresh the page, what we get? Still the same problem. Network. How to okay. So okay, now it is fine. So we have this thing. Okay. So what is the problem here? Nothing to geocode. Let's check the. Okay, we are not sending light and long here properly. So I think what could be the problem? So we have API endpoint. We have question mark here. First, let's try to construct a proper endpoint. So we can just console.log this whole thing. So copy and paste here, copy and paste inside, and let's comment it initially. So open the console. Okay, I think that is the problem. We can't use spaces here. That was the problem here. Now let's check. So now we are getting all the data here, like our latitude, which is 25.1985 etc. Longitude is 85.5. Now copy the whole thing and put it inside this. Or to make it to simplify it, we can create one more constant. So const final API end point equals to, okay, this whole thing. Okay, what is the problem here? Okay, wait. So we can, okay, now it is fine. It's weird. So now remove all the things from this endpoint. Now we can use final API endpoint here. So we have the API endpoint, we have latitude, longitude, and all the things. Remove console log, don't need it. Now we can make this const as a let, because const can be only used one time, or we cannot redefine or redeclare constant. So you see, we're getting our data here. We have alerts, current, latitude, longitude, time zone, which is Asia Kolkata, but we're not getting city here. Sorry, city. So let's check, where can we get city? Minutely, time zone. Okay, wait. So I have time zone offset. How to get city here? Okay, let's check another data or API. So we have API key, city name. No. Okay, we have API. Okay. Let's try this API. So we have open one call. So copy this till weather question mark, and let's try this now. it will work. We need to remove this exclude hourly and daily. Now let's check. Okay, we are getting error, not found data. So we have weather ID. Wait, it's difficult. So we have our API endpoint, fine, with question mark. Then we have lat, then we have lon, then we have API, sorry, we have app ID, but it's not working. So refresh the page and let's check now. Nothing else. So open the network again. What is the error here? Cannot get this API weather. Okay, it's difficult. So we can console.log final API endpoint, and we will compare the both endpoints here now. So open the console. What is the problem? If we resize it, will it work? Not, it will not work. Okay, we need to use HTTPS. So just copy this till weather, and we don't need to replace HTTPS, leave HTTPS. So now we are using this correct endpoint. These are very small mistakes but important to look. Now we are getting it. So we are getting based on need it. Okay, we have chords, already have it. We have date, we have ID, we have this, we have name of Birar Sharif. I am in Bihar, but I am not in Sharif. So if we put another latitude or longitude in this app, we will get the data of that location, of that weather data. So if we put location of America, somewhere in America, we will get that data. So I think it is pretty clear now how to use this API. How to use latitude and longitude to determine our location. So let me repeat what I have done here. So first of all, I am using this navigator.geolocation to get two data, which is latitude and longitude. Then we are creating two states, which is called latitude and longitude here in line number 9 and 10, React use state. Then we are setting the states. We are setting the two values of latitude and longitude in the both states in the line number 13 and 14. Then we have these two data. Now we are using this API called Open Weather Map and Weather API, this API endpoint. So this is the endpoint and this is the API key. You can get your API key from this portal. So if you open this your profile, you will get your API key. So click API keys here. So you can get it here, and I have pasted it. Then the third thing is we are using this API called Open Weather Map blah blah blah, this API, which is by geographic coordinates. So this is originally used for getting data of your this is used to get data for get the weather data, but you can use to get your city also, and you can also use all the data to create one weather app, one awesome weather app. So you can see we have country India, IDs, the time of sunrise, time of sunset. Then we have weather, it's cloudy weather here, description is overcast clouds. Then we have visibility, we have wind speed, wind gust, and degree, temperature, all the things. But we can just focus on the name of city, which is Bihar Sharif or state, whatever it is. Not important. Okay, now we are calling the API here, and we are putting the three things, which is API endpoint first, then latitude and longitude, and the app ID, which is the API key, as you can see here in the documentation. Then we are using Axios to get data to call the API, and this API is returning one response, and we are console.log this data using console.log data inside the response. So we can show it also. So if we want to show the country name or city name, this Bihar Sharif, we can just use, okay, we need to create a state first. So const city name, or let's make it simply response data. Set response data equals to use state, and let's make it an object. Then we also need react.useState, not just useState. Then set response data and this response data. Now let's use this. So response data dot name and save. So you can see we are getting the data Bihar Sharif here, which is this our current position. We can also use clouds or base. So if it put base here, we will get stations as base. So we can also use time zone, main, temperature. So if you want to see the temperature, which is this 297.1, we can just use response data dot main dot temp and put it. So you see we are getting the temperature here, but the topic was to get the city here or the current location. So just use response data dot name, and now you know how to get current position using latitude and longitude. And now that ends our video of how to use geolocation API to get current position data according to latitude and longitude. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I will give you a chocolate bar like a Dairy Milk or 5-star or bar 1 if you do that, or not. So thank you so much for watching my video. Tata.